Hey friends, this is Clint Carney from System Sin with a special Halloween episode. I'm going to show you some masks that I made recently, and if you stick around till the end of the video, I'll tell you how you can get one of these for your own collection. This mask here is called Skin Slip Skip. He is a display-only mask, which means he is not wearable, but he will look great on a shelf. This is my skull. This one is wearable and it comes with a blackout hood too, so you can't see your eyes or your nose or your mouth underneath. This gnarly dude is Gangrene Gene, and he is a wearable mask. This is my interpretation of Skeletor. This is essentially the same skull mask that you just saw, but I have converted him into Skeletor. He is display only. This one is Melton Melvin. This is also a variation of my skull mask. He was just built up with latex and blood and goo. He is also a display mask only. I'm calling this dude Frostbite Frank, and he's kind of a tribute to all of those awesome 80s horror movies that I love. Frostbite Frank is wearable. He's been sitting in the freezer for a little too long. This is the Worm Witch. If you look through my YouTube videos, you'll see a video of me sculpting this, but now Worm Witch is available for the first time as a latex mask. This gnarly gentleman is called Road Rash Rick, and he has just had an awful day. He is a display mask only. Thank you so much for checking out these masks with me. If you'd like to pick one up for your own collection, head on over to systemsin.com and get yours while they last. See you next time.